shoot up the station. TV
radio.
Shoot up the station. TV station.
Hey.
Shoot up the station. TV station. Shoot up the station.
Yeah.
TV station.
Shoot up the television, videos and demolition. It's time we fuck the system in missionary position. Listen, it's my intention for giving this transition. This is for the citizens.
Yee. That was cinematic, huh? Yee.
Whack.
What's up, y'all? So for today's video, we're gonna be installing my brand new brake pads and rotors, cuz I might gotta do a stop at Advanced Auto Parts to get a rear caliper, passenger rear caliper, because my rear caliper has been seized for about 2 years and I've been driving on a seized caliper. But look, see, this is why y'all gotta be hitting the like button, because if y'all don't be hitting the like button, I might be hitting other people. You know what I'm saying? My calipers don't stop. When I say red light, they say green light. You know what I'm saying? We gotta do this together. Damn, I spit on the camera. So let's unbox these things. You know what I'm saying? 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 Got these rotors, bud. Ooh, drilled and slotted, bud. Yee to the yee. Brake pads right here. I think these are non-ceramic. Not too sure. Honestly, forgot what I ordered. But that's pretty much what we're going to be installing today. So it should be a pretty simple, straightforward process. I don't think I've ever replaced rotors before. Look how gross these things look, man. And don't worry about the caliper being red. There's going to be powder coated yellow very soon. Very soon. Trust me, I'm going to start taking better care of my car. We'll make it look pretty. But let's start the process of removing this damn thing. I know we got to remove the caliper and then those little screw craps right there, and then that should be pretty much it, really. It's a pretty straightforward process, man. Now, I'm not sure if there's other ways to do brake pad / rotor install, but I'm doing the way I normally know how to, which would be to remove the top caliper bolts right here. It's a 12 right here and a 12 on the bottom. Then the caliper comes off, and then you got 2 screws holding on your rotor, and then you take the screws off and then just slide the rotor back. Really, I mean, I think that's pretty much it. I've never done rotors. I've done brakes, so brakes is like the easiest thing ever, but I've never done rotors, but I'm pretty sure it's the same straightforwardness of how to replace your brakes. Hope I don't mess anything up. Then again, it is a Zosh video, so I gotta mess at least something up, you know what I'm saying? Wasn't bad at all, yo. That's brazy. So you have one bolt here and one bolt right there. They're both 17 millimeters, and you gotta loosen it, and this little caliper bracket right here comes off. This thing right here will come off, and then the rotor's pretty much almost out, so. I ran into my first problem. I can't get the rotor screws off. I don't have a ball head hammer to try to hit the hammer ball head on the screw itself. So time to go to Harbor Freight, pick up a hammer, or if Tuck's working, go to O'Reilly to borrow a ball head hammer, and then yeah, so that's what we're about to do right now. You know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? Good thing my mom left me the car, cause boy, I would have been screwed.
You are now listening to 99.9 Jams with my man Zosh. Gonna bring the hot fire for your boys. Your motorize you.
Welcome back to Zosh Radio Station 99.9 Jams, blazing the hot of the hot. Today we got coming up for you one now here while I want you my youth. Take it back to 2010 with some B.O.B. no genre. Play that fire. Blow.
I really don't know how long I've been doing this shit. I guess 2010's the first year that you gave a shit. I was the underdog, so please excuse me a bit. I need some space, so someone please make me some room in this bitch, cause I'm in beast mode. Give me those beats, I eat those all day. I don't sleep, no. I don't even know what I got sheets for. Them pillowcases, them bed frames. Oh no, take that, don't need those. So hot, I don't get hot. I don't even know what I got weed for. People, I'm in beast mode. What thing I got these teeth for?
Now back to the show.
Just getting back home from Harbor Freight. I got my ball head hammer, got some work gloves, and I got a screwdriver because mine is just boot. But I think this ain't even gonna work anyway. Let me see. Oh, shit, that works. All right, cool. So this is the hammer I had to pick up. I've seen that the car guy used it and a bunch of other YouTube channels that when they got not stripped, but like rusted up screws or whatever, they use with this, and they use another hammer and they use this part right here to knock into the screw. Hopefully it works. I hope to God it works. I really want to get these rotors on because if not, then I won't be able to daily upload. I need to daily upload.
Hey, to be real, like to be real, yeah, it took about 5 to 15 for Wakanda.
That actually worked, boy. That one's done. That one's done. Those are out. Yee, boy. Thank God. So now we can move forward with getting the rotor off and replacing it with the brand new one. Let's get it. Hold on. Let's get it. Boom. Bam. Alright. Ho, that looks beast, boy. Ooh, that look good, boy. Your boy went from ashy to classy. When your mom calls, you gotta do what she asks out of respect. So now I have to pause on my brake stuff so I can go do a favor for her, and I'll probably be home like in the next 30 minutes. So I mean, it's only 4 o'clock now. It is 4:19, so I should be home before like 5 o'clock. It gets dark at like 6:30 now, so I should be able to come home and then finish up the front. I actually lost one of my caliper bolts. Not bolts, but like the little thing. I don't know what the hell I lost. I can't find it. But yeah, pause on the video until I get back. I should bring you guys along for some more Zosh radio, but I lost that damn bolt. Rip. Let's finish it. Today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm sorry. I'm very, very sorry if this video, you know what I'm saying, wasn't like a typical Zosh video, but then again, I did lose a bolt, but I found it later. I didn't break anything yet. Well, then again, I haven't drove my car yet, so. But you guys get what I'm saying, right? I know it ain't one like, you know what I'm saying? I know what I'm saying. But if you did enjoy the video, could you please smack that like button? Hold on. If you thought this video was enjoyable in any way, shape, or form, could you please do the following? If you're some man, smack that like button for your boy. That'd be greatly appreciated, man. Hey, could y'all please hit that like button so I can get my hair fixed? Because, times are hard. Yo. Hey, man. Hey, thank y'all, bro. Man, hey, we sold out on the hoodies and shirts. Hey, man. Hey, I might be able to eat this month. I really do appreciate you guys copping the merch. Wait for my new design. If this design isn't the most cleanest thing I've ever, it's clean. When I say clean, it is clean. But thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.